In today's video, I'm going to teach you everything you need to know about content gap analysis, what is it, why you need it, how to do it, and some of the best practices. So we have a lot to cover, keep watching. So let's start with, what is a content gap analysis? Content gap analysis, also called keyword gap analysis, is a process of analyzing current content inventory on your and your competitor's website and then finding missing keywords and topics on your website to target in order to increase topic relevancy, organic traffic, and ranking for your website. Content gap analysis is keyword research method that helps you to uncover missing keywords on your website and discover keywords that drive your competitors' organic traffic. This keyword research strategy is especially effective because, unlike from traditional keyword research where you need to come up with topics ideas and after that with subtopics ideas, which can be often very challenging, with content gap analysis you need to only find the right competitors to get the tons of great keyword ideas along with your competitors' ranking. And this is super helpful because if similar level competitors can rank for those keywords, then you can too as well. And don't worry, I show you exactly how to find tens and even hundreds of competitors that are perfect for content gap analysis. So let's also discuss why do you need content gap analysis. Content gap analysis is an excellent keyword research strategy, especially if you are running out of keyword ideas, as with this method all the hard work is done for you by your competitors. And content gap analysis is especially useful for small websites because rather than searching for hidden keyword gems on larger sites or using seed keywords and then hoping you can rank for the keyword, content gap analysis can show you proven keywords that small websites are already ranking for in your niche. With content gap analysis, you will be able to pretty accurately determine where you will be ranking once you publish your new content, which is giving you the opportunity and capability to create only content that your website can rank for. So like this, you will maximize your marketing resources and focus only on the most promising keywords and topics that can drive organic traffic and leads for your business. And there are many more benefits to content gap analysis. However, instead of telling you that, let me show you how you can perform content gap analysis for your website. To perform content gap analysis, you will need to use an SEO tool with such capability. Luckily, there are many different SEO tools you can use to perform content gap analysis. And if you are already using an SEO tool for your website, then you can use that too. However, if you do not use any SEO tool, then I can recommend you SE Ranking. SE Ranking is all-in-one SEO software for over 30 tools for every task in search marketing. The platform provides analytics data and monitoring features that help specialists, agencies, marketers, and business owners bring their website to the top of the SERP and stay there. And compared to other SEO tools, SE Ranking offers by far the best value for money, which makes it available for specialists and companies with limited marketing budgets, starting from as little as $25 per month. So, if you want to try it, you can use my link in the description and get 14 days trial. Plus, I will be using SE Ranking throughout this video, so you can follow me along the way and learn how to use the tool effectively to boost your ranking. And before we start, we need to create a template for you, where you can track all the competitors and newly discovered keywords for your website. Luckily, this is not difficult, and you can copy the one I'm using and then modify it to your needs. Here is my content gap analysis template. As you can see, I am tracking two different competitors. The same level competitors are domain with similar domain trust like mine. For example, if my domain trust is 20, then I consider competitors with domain trust between 10 to 40 as my same or similar level competitors, and anything above is higher level competitors. Also, you can see I have only 2 competitors for each level. However, this is only for the tutorial, and I do recommend you to find at least 10 competitors for each level. Trust me, this will give you plenty of keywords to choose from, so you can select only the most relevant and profitable keywords for your website. And before we get started, if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, put a nice comment below and watch the entire video because it helps me with the YouTube algorithm. The first step of content gap analysis is to find competitors that are already ranking for similar or same keywords, but also for many more keywords that you want to target. And to do that, there are a number of different tactics you can use to find your competitors. With that, here are 2 proven ways to find competitor sites that are perfect for content gap analysis. The first technique to find the right competitors for the content gap analysis is to perform competitive research on your own website to find competitors that share same keywords with you. This is probably the best technique to find competitors, and most of the SEO tools can give you your organic competitors based on common keywords. With that, let's fire up your SEO tool. In my case, I will use SE Ranking. First, I open up SE Ranking Competitive Research Tool, enter my domain, select my targeted location and hit Analyze. Here, I will get information about the analyzed website, such as the domain trust, organic and paid traffic, ranking keywords, traffic cost, and backlink profile. All this information gives me a high-level overview of the analyzed website, and then I can easily navigate to different sections by selecting any of the displayed reports. However, to find my competitors, I will open up the Organic Traffic Research tab and select the Competitors report. And here I have a list of domains that are sharing common keywords with me. However, just because they are ranking for the same keywords as me, it doesn't mean it makes them the right competitor for content gap analysis or even keyword research. And in the second step, I will show you how to analyze and select the right competitors for your content gap analysis. However, for now, let's move to the second method to find your competitors. The second technique to find your competitors is to find your close competitors. I recommend you use this technique if you do not have a website yet, or you are just starting out and you got only a few pieces of content on your website. Also, it is a great strategy to expand your list of competitors. So, similarly to the first technique, I open SE Ranking Competitive Research Tool. However, now I enter the domain of one of my competitors, select my targeted location and hit Analyze. And then I go to the competitors report, and like before, I have the list of competitors of my competitor based on the common keywords. As I said, you can use this technique if your website is too small, or even if you want to generate more competitors within your niche. Now, I can do this for every single competitor you are seeing here. I just click on one of the domains and it will open up the competitive report again for the different competitor, and I can go to the competitors report again, and here I have a new list. Anyway, with that, once you have your competitor list, then let's move to the second step. The second step of content gap analysis is to sort through the list and select the right competitors for your content gap analysis. The thing is, just because you are sharing common keywords with other domains, it doesn't mean it is the perfect competitor to do a content gap analysis. What you are searching for are domains that are focusing mainly on the topics that you want to target. They are mostly targeting keywords within your niche and ranking for a lot of keywords in your targeted niche that you don't. That's why it is important to know what topics you want to target in the near future to determine the right competitor. Because I assume you have limited marketing resources. Therefore, you need to have a laser-focused content marketing strategy for your website to create topic relevancy. With that, let me show you how you can analyze your competitors and select only the right competitors for your content gap analysis. As you can see, I'm sharing a lot of common keywords with the domain g2.com. So, to determine if that's the right competitor or not, I open the domain in the competitive research tool and also in my browser. In the competitive research tool, I can see the total number of keywords my competitor is ranking. And to see what keywords they are ranking for, I open up the keywords report. And here I have a list of all keywords my competitor is ranking for, along with other additional helpful information. And on the first view, I can see they are ranking for keywords that are way outside of my targeted topic. So let me have a look at their website to see what their targeted niche is. And by browsing their homepage, blog posts, category pages and others, I can see that they are focusing on the overall SaaS software industry, specifically on reviews. Therefore, this is not a good competitor, as I'm focusing only on SEO, content marketing and lead generation. And because this is a massive website that also targets SEO, content marketing and lead generation tools, it is no wonder they have pieces of content around these topics as well. And that's why we share common keywords. However, they are way outside my targeted niche, so I will not select them for content gap analysis. And let's analyze another competitor. Another competitor that is sharing a lot of common keywords with me is webfx.com. So the same way like before, I open up their keywords report in SE Ranking and their website in the browser. And just by looking at their keywords, I can see that they are focusing very much on the same topics as me. And by going through their website pages, I'm seeing that SEO company that is focusing on SEO and lead generation, e-commerce, and UX and website development, which is very close to my targeted topics. Therefore, they are a great example of high-level competitors for my content gap analysis, so let's pop them into the template. However, what you often experience when you are searching for high-level competitors is that they often cover more topics in your niche that you don't plan to write about yet. And that is fine, as long as you find competitor that is mainly focusing on topics you want to establish topic relevancy, it will work. Alright, so the exact same way I will find another high level and same level competitor. As I said, I only have a 2 for each level, but I do recommend you to find at least 10 for each level to find the most profitable and suitable keywords for you. So here's my updated template with all the competitors that target mainly the same topics I want to target too. The step number 3 is to find the content gaps or missing keywords and topics on your website based on your competitors' ranking keywords. And to do that, I will open up the competitor comparison tool, or I can just click on the number in the missing keywords column. So let me show you 2 techniques to find keywords or content gaps on the same level and high level competitor domain, as it slightly differs the way how you should search for missing keywords. Let's first search for keywords on the same level competitor domain. In this example, I have found a competitor ninjareports.com with the domain trust of 40. Now, because this is a domain with a similar domain trust as me, I want to see their unique keywords, or keywords that they rank for but I don't. I want to also see their ranking for the particular keyword. And the reason why is because if they can rank for the keyword in the first page of the search engine result pages, then I have a chance to rank there as well with a little bit of link building. So to get this information, I will change to the unique keywords report and select my competitor domain to see their unique keywords and not mine. And voila, here I have a list of already proven keywords. Now I only have to scan the keyword list and find keywords with ranking position between 1 to 10. However, because there are over 7,000 unique keywords on the list, I can just export the data into the Excel spreadsheet and set the filter for the position column between 1 to 10. And just like this, I have a nice list of keyword ideas that my same level competitor is ranking for, and as I said, these keywords are already proven that smaller sites can rank in top positions. So do this for all of your same level competitors and you will get a nice list of keyword ideas and content gaps for your website. And now let's have a look at the second technique to find keywords. This technique you can use for both level competitors. So, same as before, I open SE Ranking Competitor Comparison tool and let's enter one of my high-level competitors and hit Analyze. Now I will select the missing keywords report and select my domain. As you can see, I am missing almost 400,000 keywords on my website that my competitor's website is ranking for. And that is way too many keywords to go through them manually. So I can set some filters to improve the quality of display keywords. So let's set the keyword difficulty filter to something low like 40 and then search volume. And now I'm down to about 400 missing keywords. However, this is not mandatory and you can keep the keyword difficulty the same if you are just searching for keyword ideas to target to increase topic relevancy. So these are the 2 techniques you can use to find missing keywords and topics for your website. The 4th step in content gap analysis is to analyze the keywords you have just found. Now, analyzing your missing keywords will pretty much depend on your preferences, targeted niche, search volume in your targeted niche, your domain trust and many more aspects. However, analyzing the right keywords is an essential part of your SEO strategy for B2B or B2C, as well as for your content gap analysis. So, when you want to analyze your keywords, you can measure the quality of keywords by using the keyword analysis checklist. The first is keyword difficulty. It shows an estimate difficulty score. The higher the number, the harder it is to rank for the keyword. The search volume. This metric shows the number of monthly searches the keyword gets. Traffic potential. This shows how many clicks the keyword and its variants can generate to top ranking pages. Cost per click. This metric shows how much advertisers are willing to pay for the keyword click. The higher the number, the higher is the transactional value of the keyword. The business potential. They should represent the value of the keyword it has to your business. This is a relative metric and it really depends on your niche and the angle you are targeting. And lastly is the search intent, which represents the reason behind the searcher's query. This will work as a checklist for us to determine the quality of the keywords we have just found in the step number 3. So when we look at the keyword ideas we have generated from the domain ninjareports.com, we can analyze the keywords by using this keyword checklist to determine the keywords that have the biggest profit potential but moderate competition. So I have sorted the keywords with position between 1 to 10 by smallest to largest keyword difficulty and found the keyword SEO books and its variants. And according to Href study, top ranking pages can rank for hundreds of keywords at a time. So most likely if you target one keyword, your page can rank for hundreds of variants of the keyword. However, we only need to analyze the main variant of the keyword. So let's analyze the main keyword SEO books using the keyword checklist. The first one is keyword difficulty. As you can see from the SEO ranking keyword research tool, this keyword has a very low difficulty score. This means even my small website has a chance of ranking for the keyword. Next up, search volume. As you can see, it's not as high, but it's alright in the SEO niche. For me, the search volume is worth the effort if the traffic and business potential are high for my website. Remember, if I can rank in the top position, the search volume can be much higher. The next on the checklist is cost per click. As you can see, the cost per click is relatively high for this keyword, which shows me that the keyword has a good transactional value. The next one is traffic potential. To see the traffic potential of the keyword, I can look at the organic search results section to see estimate number of clicks the top pages are getting. And as you can see, despite the search volume is low, the top ranking pages are getting over 1000 traffic visits and ranking for tens and even hundreds of keyword variants. Therefore, this keyword has a great traffic potential. The next one is business potential. As I said, this depends on your niche and the business. For example, for me, this keyword has an excellent business potential because I can include my affiliate links to the books I am recommending. However, if you are selling SEO software, then the business potential is lower because you will not add affiliate links. And while you can offer your software and your academy as an alternative to learning SEO, but it's not exactly what the searcher wants. Thus, the business potential is lower. However, you will never know until you try, right? And the last one is search intent. To determine the search intent, I look at the top ranking pages for the keyword. Looking at the top ranking pages, I can see it is mostly category or listicle blog posts recommending the best SEO books. This means I can match the search intent by creating a blog post as my website does not have the product or category pages because I am not an e-commerce site. However, both versions can satisfy the search intent. So by using this keyword analysis checklist, I can definitely say that this keyword is an excellent choice for me and I can include it in my spreadsheet. And like this, you can analyze any keyword you find during keyword research and content gap analysis. Remember, analyzing keywords will help you to focus your marketing resources only on the most important and profitable keywords for your business, and most likely you will see the best results from your SEO strategy. And that's all the steps I have for you today. I hope you have learned something new, so don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, leave a nice comment below, and check out all my links in the description for my favorite SEO and other marketing tools. Ciao!